Dziękuję panie przewodniczący. Dziękuję za słowa dotyczące Białorusi. Jak sądzę, wszyscy zgadzamy się tutaj na sali z tym, co pan powiedział. Równocześnie chciałem bardzo mocno podkreślić, że Unia Europejska nie zapomina o partnerach wschodnich. Chciałem jeszcze raz powiedzieć, że dzisiaj świat spogląda na północną Afrykę i tam jest skierowane najwięcej dzisiaj działań w skali świata, ale my dzisiaj skupiamy się na partnerstwie wschodnim, skupiamy się na kontaktach z naszymi najbliższymi sąsiadami ze wschodu Europy. I jest to dla nas niezmiernie ważne, dla wszystkich państw członkowskich Unii Europejskiej i taka sytuacja będzie również w przyszłości. Będziemy działać na obydwu frontach, będziemy działać na południu i na wschodzie, a to, że dzisiaj właśnie spotykamy się w takim gorącym czasie dla północnej Afryki, spotykamy się i rozmawiamy o wschodzie Europy, jest tego najlepszym dowodem. Proszę Państwa, otrzymaliśmy przesłanie, list od pani Catherine Ashton, to jest wiceprzewodnicząca Komisji Europejskiej i wysoki przedstawiciel do spraw polityki zewnętrznej oraz polityki bezpieczeństwa Unii. Nie mogła być z nami, bo jest na dalekim wyjeździe zagranicznym, ale Państwo macie do dyspozycji, został Państwu rozdany, albo w tej chwili jest rozdawany tekst jej przesłania. Dziękujemy pani Catherine Ashton za to przesłanie, bo jest bardzo ważne, żeby Komisja Europejska, a także Rada Europejska, Rada Unii, żeby te instytucje sprzyjały naszemu parlamentarnemu porozumieniu i naszym parlamentarnym działaniom. I z listu, który macie Państwo przed sobą, wynika to jednoznacznie, że to, co robimy, współgra i jest bardzo bliskie temu, co robią instytucje, które spełniają egzekutywę, są wykonawcze w ramach Unii Europejskiej. Proszę Państwa, w punkcie 4 mamy przyjęcie aktu ustanawiającego i regulaminu Zgromadzenia Parlamentarnego Euronest. To zapewne najważniejszy punkt naszego spotkania. Mamy bowiem podjąć decyzję o stworzeniu naszego porozumienia Euronest i naszej współpracy na kolejne dziesięciolecia. Proszę Państwa, chciałem wobec tego zapytać, czy są Państwo, czy jesteście wszyscy tu obecni za przyjęciem aktu ustanawiającego Zgromadzenie Parlamentarne Euronest, które opracowano i rozdano Państwu przed chwilą? Czy jesteście Państwo za? Okay, thank you. We don't have yet any rules of procedure, so acclamation was only one possibility to take our special act. And the second issue is rules of procedure. And I would like to ask you about the same, to support our rules of procedure, which were prepared previously, and we agreed preliminary for these rules of procedures. Who is for such a solution? Okay, thank you very much. Now we know from this moment 2/3 of votes for every decision if we vote. Now we have a rule. 2/3 of votes, our members present in the hall. So next decision won't be taken by acclamation, only twice at the beginning. So thank you very much. It was very, very important. Why I changed spontaneously from my mother tongue to English, because probably you can understand much better English than any other language maybe here in the hall. So let me say, the next will be signing of this special act. If I could ask protocol to start our work. Yeah, alphabetic order, of course. Armenia. Great, we can see it. We can see it, let's check it. Azerbaijan as a second, in alphabetic order. Georgia is the next. Well, it was specially prepared to go from one side of the podium to the other. Thank you. And now it's Moldova. Thank you. And Ukraine. Well, it's also alphabetic order. European Parliament, I think, is also alphabetic order. Great. Thank you. Dear colleagues, so a few formalities just now. I have everything written in Polish, but I can probably translate immediately to English. Will be more clear for all of us. Co-presidents of our Euronest, very important decision as well. Mr. Boris Tarasiuk, on behalf of Eastern Partnership. And Mr. Christian Vigenin, on behalf of European Parliament. And Vice Presidents of our Euronest Assembly. I will read, first of all, 4 of them on behalf of Eastern Partnership. Mr. Hovhannesyan from Armenia, Mr. Suleymanov from Azerbaijan, well, is here, yeah? Okay, thank you very much. Because we must see each other, it's very important. Mr. Dargiashvili from Georgia. And Mr. Korman from Moldova. And on behalf of the European Parliament, Vice Presidents, Mr. Angurenau from the European Parliament, all of us from European Parliament, Mr. Czarnecki, European Parliament. All was not present, unfortunately. Mr. Gerbrandi, European Parliament. Where is Mr. Gerbrandi? And Mr. Saryusz-Wolski. Well, dear colleagues, thank you very much. It's our first meeting. I am very grateful for your speeches, Mr. President, and your openness. It is not easy today, we know very well, also in the European Union. We have a lot of discussions inside, arguing, even complaining inside European Union. And wanted to improve our democracy, free market economy, changing everything. It's crisis, so we must improve our economy, and to change a lot of things is not easy. And I'm quite sure our partnership, our Euronest, will be led in very honest way. From all sides, from your side, from our side, because between partners and between friends is absolutely necessary to be honest and open. And we know that we are grounded on the same values. We feel, all of us, absolutely the same about human being responsibility, about human rights, and about citizens' rights. So everything is united us. We must also implement everything what is natural way unites us. So thank you very much once again. Now we would go for the family photo, very important, because we must remember forever this moment. And after a short break, please come back to this room, because we must also take additional, very important decision on our committees, working groups, to organize ourselves. Because what is really necessary to start work as quick as possible. We have a lot of things to do in front of us. And to organize ourselves in the best way. So we were starting working procedure and our work immediately. But at 1 o'clock we will meet for lunch and for short toast, because it is usual in our history, our culture, that in such an event we must meet also with the meal, and to celebrate during the meal our future cooperation and future success. I am optimistic, I am absolutely sure that it will be future success. So after a few minutes, please come back here to this hall. And now, family photo at 1 o'clock lunch. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, we were slightly area. It's an end. Dear colleagues, very important information. Family photo will be here. So please come here. Protocol just informed me that it's the best place. So please come here, all of us. Maybe on those times, and you can take the photo from this place. So better here, you see, here. And well, you from apparatus from the. That's it. Let us go.
May I have your attention, please?
Everybody,
For the European Parliament?
does it work? It doesn't work. No. Microphone.